Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until the dough forms a ball. Remove from heat and beat in 1 large egg until the dough is smooth and fully combined. This creates the perfect base for our crispy churros. Now that our dough is ready, it's time to shape our churros. Transfer the warm dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped nozzle. This special tip gives churros their classic ridges, which become wonderfully crispy when fried. Prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Carefully pipe the dough into strips, about 4 to 6 inches long, onto the prepared sheet. Try to keep them consistent in size for even cooking. This step ensures beautiful and evenly cooked churros. With our churros shaped, it's time for the magic of frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few churros into the hot oil, avoiding overcrowding. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain briefly on paper towels. While still warm, toss generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This gives them their classic sweet finish, making them absolutely irresistible. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade churros. Serve them immediately while they are still warm for the ultimate crispy exterior and soft, fluffy interior. Churros are fantastic on their own, but they are even more delightful when paired with a delicious dipping sauce. Consider serving them with a rich chocolate ganache, a creamy dulce de leche, or a fresh fruit compote. These delightful treats are perfect for any occasion, whether a special dessert or a fun snack. Enjoy every single bite of your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.